Hello everybody, welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm opening up the AirPods 3rd generation. These ones have the MagSafe for charging on the case. So here is the box unopened. You can see that the tape is still intact. AirPods, MagSafe charging case. Sturdy box. Apple always does good with their packaging, and it doesn't look like I need a knife at all either, which is pretty cool. So let's get opening. Okay, here we go. Designed by Apple in California, but still manufactured in China. First, you get looks like a manual in this little sleeve. AirPods. Let's learn about AirPods. So it gives you a little bit of information on how to connect the AirPods or how to connect to other devices. Let's see what the back has to say. The back is in different languages, so not too much information. Next, you have safety and handling, warranty, FCC compliance information, warranty information. Okay, that's it with the paperwork. Here are the AirPods. Ooh, slippery. I'm guessing that's the MagSafe charging spot, so you can set it anywhere you want, connect it to the MagSafe batteries. Is there anything else in the box? Let's find out. There's a tab. Aha! A lightning cable. And that is it for the box. It's just standard, looks like probably a 3-foot lightning cable. I have plenty of these cables, so I will put this one away. Okay, now let's take a look at these AirPods. Okay, so let's take the tape off. This is an indicator on the front, LED. If it's charging, pairing, battery's low, battery's charged. Here's the sync button on the back. It's flush with the case. MagSafe charging. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam. My bad, I thought it was China, but this is Vietnam. And here are the AirPods. So you have two that come in this case, a left and a right. They are, let's see, you have a lot of different things going on here. So in the second generation, they're longer, a little bit longer. And there's a hole at the bottom. I believe that's where the microphone used to be. Now there's a lot more technology in these here. Oops. So basically, when you need to charge them, put them away. They just snap right back in here. They're magnetized. And now you can see it's charging. And it has some battery in there. This has never been opened. And you have two. Now these AirPods, since they're the 3rd generation, they're personalized with spatial audio and dynamic head tracking. So when you're moving your head back and forth and you have that option enabled, you can hear the real world around you, and it makes a difference. Or even with audio, it makes a little bit of a difference when you move your head around. The audio changes with your head. It's hard. It's a little bit difficult to explain. I would suggest looking it up. There's people who make videos on how to explain that topic. This is sweat and water resistant, so if you're out and about, somewhere humidity, maybe you're working out and you're running, or I wouldn't suggest using these when you're swimming. Maybe you're working outside in the yard and it's getting wet outside. You don't have to worry about these getting wet or damaged. And this case works with lightning charging, and it's MagSafe, so you just set it on top of a wireless charger. MagSafe, I believe, has the magnet, so it can stick to stuff. And this has up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge. That's quite a bit of time of listening. And you just basically have the case to recharge them, and you can alternate between the left and right earbud. If the right one goes dead, put it in the case while it's charging, use the left earbud, and then vice versa. From my experience, it charges really quickly on the second generation, but this is the third, so I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit more efficient. And it's fairly light, easy to put in your pocket. You can, if you buy these off the Apple website, you can get them engraved with whatever you want, or through the options that they provide. And it has a glossy, smooth finish. It's hard plastic. And those are the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching.